Hello everyone, my name is Arturo and I am 22 years old. On my last vacation, I went on a trip to Cusco with my family. We stayed at a nice hostel and visited incredible archaeological sites like the ruins in Acomayo. We also ate delicious local food and walked around the main plaza. It was an amazing experience and I feel very relaxed and happy. Now, a new semester is starting at the university. This semester I am going to study harder for all my courses. Also, I am going to organize my time better and I am going to practice my English every day because I want to get great grades. Thank you for watching. Bye.